Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to connect a plain mixer to a power amplifier. I have a variety of power amplifiers that I use in my business. And today, I've chosen to work with my most favorite, the PVCS 4000. Before we begin, I'll start by explaining what a power amplifier is. This is an electronic device that is used to increase power or voltage so that to drive speakers to reach a high audience. They basically raise audio signal to speaker level. When the signal comes out from a mixer, it is usually too small, so the amplifier will do the heavy lifting so that you're able to power your passive loudspeakers and passive monitors. First of all, start by ensuring that you have all the required cables. That is the power cable for the mixer, the power cable for the power amplifier, the signal cable, and the audio cable. This is in case you want to play music from either your phone or your laptop. Although with the latest technology that we have right now, we can play music wirelessly using these mixers that come nowadays have Bluetooth inside them, so you can connect your music wirelessly from your power source. You make sure that you've powered your power amp. You then make sure that you power your mixer, and as you do that, ensure that all your volumes are down for your mixer. Also, make sure that your amplifier meter is turned all the way down. Basically, a mixer will have several outputs. We have the inputs, then we have the channel strip, then we will have our outputs. So in our case, for this small mixer, it has 3 different outputs. We have the phone, we have the main out, and the aux. So you can either use the aux or the main out. The main out has got the right and the left output. So using my signal cable, let me use my left output. And for the amplifier, make sure that you're able to identify your output and your input in the rear of your amplifier. So you have these as your input and we have the output. So I'll have my signal from the mixer to the input of the power amplifier. After that, I'll take my speaker cable, and majority of amplifier will have the spec-on as an output pin. So I'll make sure that I match my spec-on correctly so that I'll have my output. Then after you match it correctly, you just turn it a little bit clockwise until you'll hear that sound, until it clips. After everything has been connected, I turn on the mixer, then I'll come to the amplifier and also turn it on. I'll start by connecting my microphone. So I'll come to the mixer inputs and make sure that I put it in the line port, not the insert port, but the line port. You can either use the line port or the microphone port. Then to the main fader of the channel strip, I'll raise it to the 0 level. Then to my main one, I'll also raise it to my 0 level. This is the speaker that I'm using. So make sure that you've connected your speaker. This is my RCF, my smallest, my mid speaker. So I'll make sure that I also connect it. correctly. And I'm using a pin, not a spec-on. But my speaker is enabled. I can use any. I can either use a spec-on. I can use it just the naked wires. I connect them directly here. I also have the option for the pin. So because my my speaker cable has a pin, that's why I'm using that port, specific port. I'm also connecting. I'll use this cable to connect my music to my mixer. So again, I'll come to the other channel using line. That's when I'll insert my pin from there, the line channel. So when my music is playing from the laptop, I'll come back to my mixer. You see, I've turned the main volume to the 0 dB level. Then I will come to my amplifier here and raise the signal a bit. Yeah, then you see I'm having now my music. I've used this channel, the channel B. That's why I'm not turning this one on, because I'm not engaged it at this moment. So depending on the volume that you want, now I'll come to the main level, to the fader of the channel strip fader, and adjust my volume to the required level. And that's all about it. Goodbye.